you, boy, I thought it was a blessing. In the heat of it, I always took your side. It's the shame you had it trying to make it messy, but you